Riley, what are you doing?
Fishing.
You are? Are you letting your line out? What are you going to catch?
Fish. A yellowtail. A yellowtail.
Oh.
And a striped fish too.
A swordfish?
Striped fish.
Oh, a striped fish. I was like,
Two.
whoa.
I don't see. Did you catch striped fish here?
Yeah.
Huh? How can you catch striped fish here? We never caught one here before.
Well, I know, but they're everywhere.
I'm taking this striped fish and I get a tail.
Yeah? Say, come on, fishy, fishy.
When do you want me to stop?
Sing them a song.
Okay, turn your handle one time. This thing. Turn that one.
I'm very busy.
Leave it there until you feel something. Do you feel anything? What do you feel? A fish? So what are you going to do then? Going to reel it?
I'm gonna hand it over to our nighttime music just away.
Thanks.